In New Zealand, the driver's licensing system requires you to pass several tests. You start with a learner's license, then you get a restricted license, and finally, a full license. If you already hold a foreign license, you may need to convert it depending on your country of origin. To apply for a learner's license, you must be at least 16 years old. If you're converting to a foreign license, make sure you're a New Zealand resident or have a valid visa. You'll also need to meet health requirements, especially if you have a medical condition that could affect your driving ability. Before applying, you'll need to gather several documents. These include proof of identity, such as a passport or birth certificate, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. You may also need a passport-sized photo for your license. To get your learner's license, you need to complete an application form either online or at an NZTA office. You'll also need to pass a written test, which covers road signs, rules, and safe driving practices. If you have a health condition, you may be required to provide a medical certificate. With a learner's license, you must drive with a supervisor who holds a full license. Practice driving for a minimum of 6 months. This may vary depending on age. Ensure you are familiar with road rules and safe driving techniques, and meet the minimum driving hours required. After meeting the driving requirements, you can apply for your restricted license. You will need to pass a practical driving test that tests your driving skills. If you pass, you'll be issued a restricted license, which allows you to drive independently but with some restrictions. Once you've held your restricted license for a set time, you can take the full license test. This tests your ability to drive safely in all conditions. When you pass, you'll be granted a full license, which has no restrictions on driving hours or passengers. Be aware that there are fees for each stage of the licensing process, including application and test fees. These can be paid online or at an NZTA office. Make sure to check the current fees on the NZTA website for accurate and up-to-date information. After getting your license, keep your contact details updated with NZTA. Your license will need to be renewed every 10 years or sooner if you're over a certain age or have health concerns. Also, stay informed about any changes to road rules or license requirements. Check out our other videos and follow us on social media to stay connected.